Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize a picture in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just tap on the project that we want to edit. Then tap on the clip or picture that we want to resize. Then we scroll to the right, tap on transform, and then in the right side we find a resize. You can tap on this, and then here we have a lot of options. We can rotate the picture, we can reframe it, we can even use AI expand. And yeah, after we are done, we just tap on OK in the top right corner, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.